How to sync beats in CapCut. So first you want to load your project and then you want to import your audio that contains the beats. So for example, this one, I can drag it on my timeline here. Now with the audio selected, I can basically go to the basic tab on the right side here, scroll down and check separate audio. Now you would usually look for bass or drums, or depending on which element of the audio you want to get out of the track. I'm gonna select bass and then click on separate while the keep remaining audio checked. And once it finishes generation, it should separate the bass on a second audio layer on the timeline and keep the rest of the audio together. Now you can basically drag your video right here and you can adjust it and you can shrink it to match the bass we extracted from the audio or the music. So you can basically do cuts like in here while moving the cursor before the bass happens and after. And then you can basically drag these parts of the video to match the bass, or you can basically cut the spaces on the audio track while the track is selected and then cut it by split tool and then make the audio close together so that it plays the bass after the other one, and you can match it with the video slices to sync it however you like or however you want the bass to play depending on your video. And once you're happy with the result, you can basically export your video. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.